Now this is the St John and Quebec Railroad vertical lift bridge, which is designed by Waddell Harrington, and it crosses the Oromocto River, located at Fredericton, New Brunswick, Canada. I'll show you something. That's the actual vertical lift bridge. Let me show you something. Now this bridge is lifting. See, as the girder lift spin is going up like an elevator, and the counterweights are lowering. I'm coming down. Yeah. So look at that. Now this bridge is located in Fredericton, New Brunswick, Canada.